See, never be afraid to make a mistake. Only make one you can afford so that you may live to make another one. Because if you are afraid to make a mistake, you cannot take any decision in life. तो मुझे गलती होती है, मैंने कंपनी में पैसा लगाया A to Z, मैं 150 करोड़ रुपया खोया उसमें, मैंने कभी उसके प्रमोटर से तेज बात नहीं की. मैंने बोला मैंने उसको परखने में गलती की. अपना डिसीजन के लिए अपने आप को ब्लेम करो, उससे सीखो और भूलो उसको.
Mr. Jhunjhunwala, what will be your advice to the Robinhood investors, the investors which in a sense have taken a birth in the pandemic crisis? A lot of new investors have come to stock markets believing that stock market is the place for instant gratification, and they've had initial success. What would you advise to them?
First thing I tell them, don't forget this is not a race course. And all this volume of fluctuation that games gap, I don't know which company in America, I think is very damaging for investors. Most investors are going to lose money in that. So I think for the place, if you get on debt 6% return, your target should get 15 to 24% return on equity, right? And don't involve yourself in all this daily gambling, where stocks go by 40% and 50% every day. I think, and your life is about attitudes. So the mature attitude is to invest safely, give your money to experienced people to invest, to mutual funds, to fund managers, and expect a return which is reasonable.
Sure.
Don't forget this. I used to have a drink in Jeffries. Some pretty girl will come and ask me that what do you buy? I tell her buy XYZ. If you tell her, she'll ask me what return I'll get. I'll say it will double in 3 to 4 years. Only I give her the address of the Mahalakshmi race course. So the first thing is everything in life is about maturity. Sure. And don't go on scaling your bets.
Sure.
And invest your own money, not your father-in-law or father's money.
Sure.
I mean, I don't invest
right.
at all. Okay, just tell me in simple terms and for viewers, what makes you buy a stock, and what makes you sell a stock?
Well, let me take the second one first. I sell a stock if I have better opportunity when I need capital. 2, price is equal to PE, EPS multiplied by PE. If the EPS is peaking, or the market recognizes the future EPS which is going to peak, and the PE is unsustainable, that is the time to sell, right? And markets do go into terms of madness. So always a time to sell. What makes me pick a stock is opportunity. The most interesting aspect of investing is the kind of mental and intelligence you have to use, mental power, and it requires the use of all senses, just as the Kamatra Sutra says. That you don't only have to look at material matters, about figures, you got to judge character of people, right? You got to judge the quality of entrepreneurs. So investing is such an encompassing and interesting profession, and the greatest thing about it is the uncertainty.
But isn't that like a really big description? I mean, does it take all that to decide on what to invest in?
Absolutely, ma'am. So trading is what it is, momentum. It's not long term. तो मैं तो दोनों पोर्टफोलियो को एक दूसरे से कुछ नहीं. Well, tips are hardest for health. और मेरी बीवी को नहीं मालूम है मैंने क्या दिया या बेचा, आपको क्या मालूम पड़ेगा? Although I don't mind anybody, मैं तो बोल देता हूँ. देखिए क्या है कि पैसा बनाना इतना ही आसान होता तो हिंदुस्तान में कोई भिखारी रहता. मतलब दमानी जी ने क्या लिया, मैंने क्या लिया, हम पहले 99% तो सब फॉल्स रहते हैं. लोग शेयर लेते हैं, लॉन्ग रूमर फैला देते हैं. और I think tips are very, very injurious to health. और दूसरी जी एक चीज ये मैं कभी टिप देना नहीं चाहता हूँ कि मैं आपको बोल दूं कि आप XYZ कंपनी ले लीजिए और कल कोई चीज बदल जाए जो आपको नहीं मालूम है, ये आपको जिसकी समझ नहीं है, मैं तो शेयर बेच दूंगा. क्या मैं नागपुर आऊंगा आपको बोलने? So you live in such a dynamic market, such a changing market that आपको हर चीज इन्वेस्ट नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, उसको कॉन्स्टेंटली रिव्यू करना